are excited to be back in person. And so let me first officially welcome you to our end of year mixer and our officer installation. And so tonight, we are in a safe space, a space that we have not been in since 2019, a space that will allow us to network, have conversation, listen to some good music from Mr. Rhodes, eat some wonderful food from Nikki and her team, and more importantly, recommit to our NETABSE values of continuous learning and professional development, responding to student need, strengthening our roles as key players in the effective delivery of education to all children, and using technology to enhance our jobs, our organizations, and the communities we serve.
One I will just say, it says, never give up because great things take time. As we mentioned earlier, it took time for us to get started, time for us to get established, but look what time brought about. We have more great things in store, so give yourselves one more big round of applause.